everyone, this is Nicholas with West German BMW. Today we're going to be going over the BMW Digital Key. As you can see on here, it's an NFC key that can be used to unlock and start your BMW. You use that in the NFC tray. This key is great, which in our 3 Series is located down here. This key can be used if you don't want to have your regular key with you, whether you're exercising, running, you're at the beach, water park, somewhere that you don't want to actually have your key. To initiate the key, you're going to go to your car settings, and then settings, and then door access, so it's a little bit over from the left. And then you see the BMW Digital Key. You hit the key card, and then we're going to activate the key while it's in here. It's going to say the message, Digital Key successfully activated. And then now we're going to get out. We're going to show you how we can start and lock the car. All right, guys, now that we have the key card outside of the car, Troy's going to place it on the door handle, and then it locks, unlocks, and then now we step inside the car. He's going to place the card inside the NFC reader, and the car starts up. No keys in the car, no keys required. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to see another video in the future.